Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones JBL Tune 570 on your iPhone. So we have only one option how to check it. The application for this headphones not available, so the only way is to create a widget. Press and hold that empty space and then click Editor Plus at the left top. Then click Add Widget and now scroll down. You need to locate batteries. And here it is. Tap on it and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget at the bottom. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.